Hello and welcome to this Elearning video on pandas. In this video, we are going to discuss the overview of pandas, which is a powerful Python library used for data manipulation and analysis. To use pandas in your project, you need to install it first. To do so, follow these simple steps. Open the command prompt window on your computer. Type pip install pandas in the prompt and hit enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. Now you can utilize pandas in your project. Pandas is a powerful tool that helps in manipulating Microsoft Office applications such as Excel. Here are some of the operations that can be performed. Reading and writing data in Excel file, adding or removing columns, filtering data, creating pivot tables, viewing data, transposing data, sorting data, slicing rows and columns, implementing Boolean indexing, handling missing data, defining user-defined functions, merging and joining data, grouping data, working with time series data. Pandas is built on top of the NumPy package and allows for fast analysis and data cleaning. It is widely used in data science, finance, and economics. The two primary data structures in pandas are series and data frame. A series is a one-dimensional array that can hold any data type, whereas a data frame is a two-dimensional array with rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. Congratulations! You now have a grasp of the overview of pandas. Thank you for watching this tutorial.